Mind-blowing meditation techniques that will change your life. Video title: Mind-blowing meditation techniques that will change your life. Video description: Welcome to our video on mind-blowing meditation techniques that have the power to transform your life. In this video, we will explore 5 powerful meditation techniques that will help you develop a deeper connection with yourself, reduce stress, and find inner peace. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced practitioner, these techniques are designed to take your meditation practice to new heights. Get ready to experience a profound shift in your mindset and discover the incredible benefits of meditation. Join us on this transformative journey and unlock the power of meditation today. Keywords: meditation techniques, transformative journey, inner peace, reduce stress, deepen connection, mindfulness. Intro. Background music playing. Host: welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to share with you some mind-blowing meditation techniques that have the potential to change your life. If you have been struggling to find peace and balance in today's hectic world, then this video is for you. We will guide you through 5 powerful meditation techniques that will leave you feeling calmer, more centered, and happier than ever before. So, let's get started. Transition to the first technique. Technique 1, Mindfulness Meditation. H3, Host. The first meditation technique we will introduce is mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness is the practice of bringing your attention to the present moment without judgment. Voice over: mindfulness meditation can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. By focusing on your breath, sensations in your body, or even mundane activities, you can cultivate a deep sense of awareness and presence. This technique helps to reduce stress, enhance concentration, and promote overall well-being. Technique 2, Loving-kindness meditation. H3, Host. Our second technique is loving-kindness meditation, also known as metta meditation. Voice over: this practice involves directing loving and compassionate thoughts towards yourself and others. By generating feelings of love and kindness, you can foster a sense of connection and empathy with yourself and the world around you. Loving-kindness meditation is a powerful tool for cultivating gratitude, forgiveness, and inner peace. Technique 3, Transcendental meditation. H3, Host. Moving on to Technique 3, we have Transcendental meditation, a technique that has gained popularity in recent years. Voice over: Transcendental meditation involves the use of a mantra, a repeated word or phrase, to help focus the mind. This technique allows you to transcend normal thinking, experiencing a state of deep relaxation and heightened awareness. Transcendental meditation has been shown to reduce anxiety, improve creativity, and promote a sense of clarity and calm. Technique 4, Visualization meditation. H3, Host. The fourth technique we will explore is visualization meditation. Voice over: visualization meditation involves creating vivid mental images to enhance relaxation and achieve specific goals. By visualizing yourself in a peaceful and positive state, you can manifest the life you desire. This technique is particularly effective for reducing anxiety, boosting self-confidence, and enhancing overall well-being. Technique 5, Breathwork meditation. H3, Host. Last but not least, our final technique is breathwork meditation. Voice over: breathwork meditation focuses on the breath as a means of deepening relaxation and connecting with inner peace. By consciously controlling your breath and engaging in specific breathing exercises, you can release stress, increase mindfulness, and achieve a heightened state of clarity and tranquility. Outro. Host. And that concludes our exploration of these mind-blowing meditation techniques. We hope that you have found valuable insights and inspiration to incorporate meditation into your daily life. Remember, the benefits of meditation are vast, and even just a few minutes a day can make a significant difference. So, take some time for yourself, dive into your meditation practice, and watch as your life transforms. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Background music fades out.